Alrighty, folks, theory time about the recent episodes on Superman and Lois. Now, recently we've seen Bizarro Superman as well as Bizarro World, which quite interesting stuff there. But being the comic book geek that I am, I think I have a few theories about what exactly it is and why it seems to be so prevalent. All right, for one thing, when people try to go in to the event horizon of the portal without the necklace, they tend to get fried. I think I know why. Because unlike other alternate universes in the multiverse, I think that Bizarroverse is actually in comics they refer to as the antimatter universe of Quard. Now, when you split up a particle, the subatomic particles tend to, one goes one direction, one goes the other, and if one starts to spin, no matter how far away or what time it is, how far away it is from the original, the other starts to spin in the opposite direction. This explains a lot of possible parallels, why there are so many similar things, but there are also a lot of differences as well. For example, it's the red sun that seems to give Kryptonians their powers rather than the yellow sun. Instead of kryptonite, which is their weakness, they have X-kryptonite there. And I think that's also part of the reason why the kryptonite and X-kryptonite are actually acting like a power-boosting stabilizer for the portals. Now, anything that goes through without that necklace tends to get vaporized. I believe that necklace and the whole merging with your other self that Ali and others are trying to do, well, you notice that when Superman flew through the portal and got to a middle ground, then he was able to fly through it. I think that's a space of singularity, kind of like Vanishing Point on Legends of Tomorrow. That's where both matter and antimatter can exist simultaneously, which I think might be where that gem comes from, because when the matter and antimatter merge, although when they go through the portals they also switch polarities so they can actually survive without annihilating each other, that necklace acts like a device that merges the matter and antimatter together, creating a living singularity. If they can do that, they can manipulate matter, antimatter, and energy, even anti-energy, which is why Ali is so dangerous and why others merging is so darn bad. So it could also explain why Clark and other doppelgangers have such painful reactions to when one's around. Peace.